X-ray 1, ready and check. Roger that.
On our segment today on Military Collectors TV, I want to talk to you about one of the projects that I've got going on here that maybe you've got one of these, maybe you don't, maybe you've seen one, maybe you'd like to have one. Well, this is a Fremont from 2000. It's a 5 kW military generator. Again, it's in the surplus system, mounted on a 1971 M762 generator trailer. Now, this trailer actually goes with my M151A2, but these trailers were originally built and designed by the military to pull a small 3 kW or a 5 kW generator for the military back then. So you can see I've already restored the trailer, kind of modified so I got a wheel up front where I've changed it up just a little bit here so I can roll this thing around. But let's talk a little bit about this 5 kW generator. You know, in current times like now, and you can find these rarely, fairly even when you look on GovPlanet and places like that. A lot of folks have bought these for basically to power their houses. Again, this is a 5 kW. It's a diesel. All right, folks, listen, we got it all cranked up here. Again, it's a diesel. You can come around to the control panel here. All military grade stuff, okay? This thing is absolutely a power horse. You've got every indicator switch. This thing's got 600 hours on it. Now, I got this from a friend of mine who used it to power his house. So that's probably gonna be one of the same things that I'm gonna do. Again, you've got the input terminals here. All of that where it's pre-hooked up. But what my buddy did already, he already put a plug in here, so all you got to do is run a cable and you run this to your house to a generator switch, and this thing will power up your entire house. So with that, I'm getting ready to restore it because I want to show it a little bit, pull it behind my M151A2. But this thing is, if you don't have one, you might want to get one, because in times like what we have now, hurricanes, power outages, power shortage, you've got grids that go down, at least you might have a backup of something that'll absolutely can run non-stop, because again, these things were tested and run by the military on the battlefield, and they're an absolute great piece of work to have one of your very own. Well, I'm going to get this thing all restored back up. You can see it's in the desert tan paint. This thing probably saw action over in the desert at some point, the number of years that we spent over there. But again, when you see it the next time, it'll match this 762 trailer. And I'm just going to make sure that this thing is absolutely one of those pieces of equipment that is readily available in times of no power and storms here in the Southeast. That's our segment today from Military Collectors TV. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.
X-ray 1, ready and check. Roger that.